Hello everyone and thanks for clicking in. My name is Ronald and today I'll be plattering up a popular party favourite, deviled eggs. And I will not be using one of those 1970s deviled egg platters. In fact, if you have one, I recommend that you take it right away and throw it out the window. Then we can start a much more appetizing presentation. Here we go. Obviously, your deviled egg platter is going to start with boiled eggs. And even if you're a master egg boiler and egg peeler and have beautiful looking eggs, you can still get one that cracks in the pot and ends up looking a little odd, but still be perfectly usable. When I cut this odd one, it looked like two little kittens. You see them? There you go. You'll find plenty of deviled egg recipes online, all basically the same. You pop out the yolks, add your ingredients, put them back in the eggs, then sprinkle with a little paprika and you're good to go. And today I've also made some finger sandwiches for the platter and some one-bite cream cheese pinwheels. I've chosen a flat, medium-sized, lightweight melamine platter for deviled eggs today. I often like to create some sort of central focal point centerpiece for platters. So I had a look around for something egg related. But shiving is a little over the top. I think I'll just stick to the eggs. Okay, this being a flat platter, obviously I don't want my eggs sliding all over the place, so I'm going to start with some parsley and that'll be a little base for them. Remember, I'm not using that 1970s platter, so I have to do something different for egg slide control. So I start placing the eggs and then I meet one of the kittens. The other one I ate.
Oh no!
So all we do now is continue to put the eggs on the platter. As I said, I don't want them sliding all over the platter, so just kind of position these first of all, and then I'll come along with my sandwiches, which I've already cut into a few different shapes. So I just need to find positions for them, and I'm actually just kind of building a wall. I'll build a wall around the edges, and then I'll be able to fill in the middle with the eggs. And of course I'll use more of the non-slip parsley to fill the spaces, and before long, once your eggs are placed, the platter's looking great, and it's just a way of decorating. To finish off, I'll just add some of the pinwheels that I prepared. I'll also add some cherry tomatoes, some green onions, and use up all of the parsley, and just kind of place things around, and there you have it. A perfectly respectable deviled egg tray with finger sandwiches, and not a 1970s heavy ceramic deviled egg tray in sight. Party guests like a little bit of variety, so nice to have a few things on the tray and some colour, nicely presented, and I'm sure you'd be happy taking this tray along to any social event. And if this video was of interest to you, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button, ring the little bell for a notification, and see you next time.